tickle?
Tickle.
Tickle?
Yeah.
Get your butt crack. Get your butt crack. Have I tickle right there? How about I tickle you? And get your butt crack. I get your butt crack. Say butt crack. What does a fire truck say? You want to count to 10?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. What comes after 3? 4. Say 4. 5.
6, 9.
Good girl. You tied yourself in a bow. Bow? Bow? Can you say please?
Please.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Can you say mama?
Mama.
Can you say dada?
Dada.
Can you say I love you?
Yeah.
What does a monkey say? What does a lion say?
Wow.
What does an elephant say? What does a fire truck say?
Dada.
Yeah, Dada drives a fire truck. What does the doggy say?
Shoes.
A shoes. What does a doggy say? What does a cat say?
Meow, meow.
Good girl. What does mama say?
Cuckoo.
Oh, you're so loving. Guess what? Tickle! Okay, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Say I love you. Oh, you gave me kisses? Thank you.